guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of ants. Number 1. Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is another powder to sprinkle in your home's ant infested area to reduce the activity of the colony. This powder should be sprinkled around your baseboard or entrance area to being working. Diatomaceous earth is powerful enough to take down a small colony in a matter of days. But the trick is sprinkling this powder over the entire colony. For larger infestations, this method may take longer to work. Science. The key of finding all of the hidden ants. Why this work? Diatomaceous earth contains silica and component found in rock. When this silica comes into contact with ants, it absorbs through the ant's body, causing them to dehydrate and die. Number 2. Cloves. Cloves are another spice similar to cinnamon that ants are not a fan of. This method requires mixing at least 2 tablespoons of cloves in a bottle of warm water to spray on infested areas. Why this work? Cloves have a strong smell that repels ants from the source they are attracted to. If you've noticed ants coming in your home or hanging around your sugar jar, spray this cloves mixture and watch your ants retreat from the area.